Welcome to the Minecraft Education Edition setup tutorial. If you or your child have recently enrolled in our Minecraft online classes, then this video will guide you through the pre-class setup procedures. In this tutorial, we will cover three major areas: the hardware setup, the software, and what you can expect when you enter the class. So without further ado, let us begin with the tutorial. The first area we will cover is the hardware side of the setup. Ideally, you would want to have two devices for the class if possible. One device will be used primarily to run Minecraft. This must be either a tablet or a computer. The second device will be used to keep the instructor's screen open such that the students can see what their instructor is doing at all times. This can be a tablet or a computer or an additional external monitor that allows a dual screen setup. In case you do not have access to multiple devices, not to worry. Students can still participate by sharing their screen space such that both Minecraft and the call are open in a single screen. This would allow you to run on a single device, but would significantly reduce the amount of space the student will have for their main applications. If your single device is a tablet, then your only option would be to switch back and forth between the apps during class. The second area of the setup is the software. Please ensure that you have downloaded and installed the Minecraft Education Edition application for your main device. For tablets, you can download the application through your device's respective application store. For computers, you may download the application through the following website. Also, for computers, please complete the installation procedures after you download the application. Once you're able to open the application, you'll be asked to input login details. Please do not worry about this. Instructors will provide the account details on the first day of their class. Next, we will talk about what you could expect on the first day of classes. There is a possibility that there are multiple students in the classroom. This also means multiple issues for our instructors to solve simultaneously. It is common for the first day of classes to have the highest number of questions, so we request students and parents to be as patient as possible, while our instructors go around trying to solve all the problems as quickly as they possibly can. They will be there to help students and ensure that they are able to have the smoothest possible learning experience. But the important thing for everyone to do is to relax. This experience is meant for you to have fun while being able to learn as well. So this concludes the Minecraft Education Edition setup tutorial. We hope this orientation was useful for you, and we look forward to seeing you in class.